Moa. The moa, a colossal bird from New Zealand, was as tall as 3 meters and weighed 250 kilograms, bigger than an ostrich and as heavy as a small car. These ancient giants roamed the land like prehistoric titans, leaving behind a legacy of awe and wonder. What's truly intriguing is where they came from. The name moa originates from a Polynesian term for fowl, perfectly suiting these gigantic birds. Despite their immense stature, they displayed characteristics akin to baby chicks, sparking curiosity among scientists about their evolutionary journey. Some experts, including Richard Owen, thought moa were overgrown chicks, retaining baby-like traits into adulthood. But modern scientists have differing views. They speculate that these unique features could have been advantages for moa's survival in their environment. Moa has slow growth with special growth rings in their leg bones, suggesting it took them up to 10 years to reach full size. This leisurely pace might have helped them live longer and adapt better to changes in their habitat. I hope you learned some more information about moas. If you like this story, please like me. Thank you.